Hello students, today we will continue with graphical solution of linear inequality. In the last class we have learned the solution of linear inequality on number line. Now we will learn what is graphical solution. Before that you must know the rules to simplify any inequality. It means we can add anything, we can subtract anything on the both the side, we can multiply from any term and we can divide from any term on the both the sides. But whenever we multiply or divide some negative term, then the inequality sign will be got changed. Okay? Now this is an inequality given to us. We need to represent it graphically. So जब भी आपको लीनियर इक्वलिटी गिवन हो तो सिंपली कन्वर्ट इन लीनियर इक्वेशन. लेट x plus y equals to 5. Now mark any 3 point. When it is a linear equation, you can easily plot this equation on Cartesian product. That's we need to do. हमने सिंपली इनइक्वालिटी को लीनियर इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करना है. और जब हम लीनियर इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे तो 3 पॉइंट्स निकाल कर एटलीस्ट 3 पॉइंट्स आपको कैलकुलेट करने हैं. 3 पॉइंट्स कैलकुलेट करके इसे कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में कार्टेशियन प्लेन में प्लॉट करेंगे. x एंड y. व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग x0 y विल बी इक्वल टू 5. व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग x2 y विल बी इक्वल टू 3. व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग x इक्वल्स टू 5 y will be equal to 0. Okay, take any 3 points. Now draw Cartesian plane. This point 0, 1. Take approximately same. You can use centimeter marking on your scale. Now this is first point is 0, 5. Okay, this is our first point. X is 0 and y is 5. X is 0, y is 5. This is our point. Okay, second point is 2, 3. This is second point. To x is 2, y is 3. This is our point. 5, 0. This is third point. X is 5, y is 0. It means 0. After marking all 3 points, just use a scale to meet them and draw a straight line. Now look at here. Suppose this is x, 6, 7 and so on. Okay. What I have done here, I have drawn a line. This line is showing this linear equation. Now this line is dividing the Cartesian plane in 2 parts. This is first part suppose, and this part is second part. Okay, this is first part and this is second part. Any linear equality satisfies only one part. Each linear equality we will convert in linear equation, and when we draw linear equation it will surely represent a line, because every linear equation represents a straight line. So whenever हम जब linear equation को plot करेंगे तो एक line मिलेगी हमें straight line. तो जब हम straight line कार्टेशियन प्लेन में या xy प्लेन में जब ड्रॉ करेंगे तो वो उस पूरी प्लेन को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेगा. दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड दिस इज सेकंड पार्ट. 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करेगा. तो इस जो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है और जब हम लीनियर इक्वलिटी की बात करते हैं तो इन दोनों पार्ट में से सिर्फ एक ही पार्ट में हमारा सॉल्यूशन होगा। तो कौन से पार्ट में होगा, उसके लिए हम डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स ले सकते हैं। सपोज़ यहाँ मैं कोई भी पॉइंट, इस पूरे प्लेन में कोई भी पॉइंट ले लो, उस पूरे प्लेन में कोई भी पॉइंट ले लो। सपोज़ यहाँ मैं ले लेती हूँ दिस पॉइंट 5 5, ओके। यहाँ मैं ले लेती हूँ दिस पॉइंट 1 and 1. I can either take 0 0 1 0 1 1 0, anything. From this side I need 1 point, from this side I need 1 point. On part first is 5 5. Given linear inequalities, x plus 5 is greater than equal to 5. Just put this point and this at point 5 comma 5. At point 5 comma 5, it means 5 plus 5 is greater than equal to 5. It means tan is greater than equal to 5. That is true. It is true. It means this point is satisfying our solution. It means this part, complete part, will satisfy our solution. Now, if you want to check, you can check also for second part. At point 1 comma 1, x plus 5 is greater than equal to 5. 1 plus 1 is greater than equal to 5. It means 2 is greater than equal to 5. This is not true. It means it is not satisfying our linear inequality. It means this point will not be our in solution. It means simply ये point हमारा solution का part नहीं है, but ये point हमारा solution का part है. It means ये जो lower second part है, इस लाइन ने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, तो ये जो सेकंड पार्ट है हमारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. इस सेकंड पार्ट की अपर साइड जो है, दिस कंप्लीट पार्ट इज अवर सॉल्यूशन पार्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, x प्लस वाई इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू 5. इक्वल साइन भी है, इसलिए हमने इस लाइन को डार्क शो किया है. इफ अगर इक्वल साइन नहीं होता है, सिर्फ ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन होता है, तो हम ये लाइन जो है, इट मीन लाइन के ऊपर हमारा सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा, तब हम उसे डॉटेड शो करेंगे. इक्वल होने पे डार्क शो करना है और इक्वल ना होने पर लाइट और डॉटेड शो करना है. ओके. नाउ टेकिंग अनदर क्वेश्चन, x इज लेस देन -3. इफ यू विश यू कैन कन्वर्ट इन इक्वेशन दैट इज x इक्वल्स टू -3. you can find solution here, x and y. I am putting y is 0, x is -3, y is 1, x is -3, y is 2, x is -3. Simply draw Cartesian plane. This is x and this is y. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus. Plot all the points. X is -3 and y is 0. You can see here. X is -3, y is 1. X is -3, y is 2. This 1 is a 1 point. Okay. In this way, we need to plot. You need at least 3 points to draw a line. Okay. Okay, we have drawn a line, but look at here, in this inequality, it is mentioned that x is less than 3, or maybe if I am given x is greater than 3, it means x is not equal to -3. It means this line must be in dotted this way. Okay, you need not to darken it because x is not equal to -3. X is less than -3. Okay. Now again, this line is dividing this plane in two parts. This is first part and this is second part. You can check for those part if you are, suppose I'm checking firstly for first part and this is satisfying my solution, then I need not to check second part. Okay, but if first part is not satisfying, then I will check for second part. Suppose I'm taking here point is minus 4 comma 0, and here this is simplest point 0 comma 0. At part first, at point minus 4 comma 0, what is given? X is less than minus 3, and put here minus 4 is less than minus 3, and that is true. Okay, it means now I need not to satisfy this part. If I put this point, it means 0 is less than minus 3, 0 is not less than minus 3, 0 is greater than minus 3. It means this part is not satisfying. This first part is satisfying my linear equation, linear inequality, sorry for that. So this is our solution, but on the line I don't have solution because x is not equal to minus 3. Okay, taking another question, this inequality is given to us. Now find 3 points or 3 solutions for linear equation. Let 3y minus 5x is less than 30. Let this is a linear equation. Then I got 3y is equals to 30 minus plus 5x. I have taken there and upon 3. Now taking different points. Suppose I am taking x equals to minus 1. x equals to minus 1. That is minus 1, that is minus 5, I'll have 25 upon 3. This 3 is not here. Try to take some such points so we got integer values. So that will be easy to plot. Firstly, I am taking 0. X is 0. Then I got y is 10. X equals to minus 3. X equals to minus 3. That will be minus 15. 15 upon 3, that is 5. X equals to minus 6. So that is 0. So thus I've got 3 points which are satisfying this linear equation. Now plot all these 3 points on Cartesian plane. Okay. Okay. First point is 0, 10. This is first point 0, 10. X is 0, y is 10. This is the first point. Second point is minus 3, 5. Minus 3, 5. Here it is, this point. Okay. Third point is minus 6, 0. Minus 6, 0. Now, draw a straight line. Now look at here. This inequality is having only less than sign. It is not having equal sign. So, just use dotted line. Okay. Now, this line is dividing the complete Cartesian plane in 2 parts, first part and second part. Okay. Now, taking any point on in both of this part, Suppose in this part, second part, I am taking 0, 0 point, and this side I am taking -8, 0 point. Okay? Now at part first, at point -8, 0. Put these values in given inequality. I will get 3y minus 5x is less than 30. 3 times y is 0, minus 5 minus 8 is less than 30. 0 plus 40 is less than 30. That is not satisfying the given equation. Not satisfied the given equation. Now for the second part, what is point have we taken? 0, 0. 3y minus 5x less than 30. 0 minus 0 is less than 30. It means 0 is less than 30. That is true. It means the second part is our solution. This complete second part is our solution. In this way, we can draw any linear inequality graphically in a line format, and we can represent the solution of linear inequality graphically by shading one part which is dividing by the given line. Okay? Thank you, class. I thought it is sufficient for today. We will continue the topic with the system of linear equality in next class. Thank you.